Yo guys, it's ItzEvan Vlogs. How you guys doing today? Sorry guys, I haven't really posted in a long time, but I'm gonna post today because it's snowing out right now. I'm gonna show you guys. It's super like hell out right now. Look at it. Look at all that snow. So I'm gonna go shovel my driveway. I'm gonna bring you guys along, and yeah, see you guys once I'm in my snow gear. Just like that, guys. I'm all fully clothed. Got my GoPro on right here. So yeah, see you guys outside. Holy crap. Yo. You guys see this right now?
Is doing the walkthrough if everything's finished and style. The terrace is so good.
Holy crap. Did you guys see the snow in the footage? It was so thick. It was like 3 to 4 inches. I don't even know. I had off today, so that's why I'm vlogging right now. And yeah, I think we're going to be doing more stuff out in the snow later today, because I think I'm going to go do my 2 families that other people rent. We own the house and then other people rent it. So yeah, guys, I want you guys to leave in the comments down below, how'd you guys like those shots? And I'm gonna start like editing really well, start put good content out to you guys. So how did you guys like that? Because I don't want to be putting out like crappy content, you know what I mean? It's like complete crap. So yeah, leave in the comments down below if you guys like that, and I'll catch you guys back when I'm doing something else. I think my dad right now, I think he's just making a pathway for my dog. So yeah, that's what he's doing right now. He came and saved me right there when I was outside, because it was so packed outside and I couldn't even like push it. As you guys saw, I kept on falling. So yeah, that's good that he came out with the blower. You guys, the anonymous man owning the myth, the legend that I never showed on camera. Owen. Say hi.
Hi.
Playing 2K? So yeah, that's the anonymous man. Sorry guys, I didn't really explain this part in the vlog, but what I was meant to say is that I went to 3 people's houses, and that's why I got all these shots. So yeah, there you go. In case you guys were wondering.
me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is.
Alright guys, so we just made it back to my house right now. We just did 2 houses, my grandma and the 2 families, so, and then I gotta do another person that lives up the street from me, which after that, then I could come back to you guys. So see you guys when we're done. This lighting makes my face look so pale. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. This is the end of the video. I miss posting content for you guys. I just miss it, and hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I really put my time and effort into this, and these are gonna be the type of vlogs I'm gonna be posting, but like way better and way longer and better shot and all that stuff. So, and it's always not gonna be snowing where I live, but I don't know. And hope you guys enjoyed the vlog today. Let's try to smash 5 likes, and that would just be insane for me and just for the channel in general, because we are growing so quickly, guys. We are at 33 subs. Let's try to hit 50 subs by, I don't know, like a week or 2, something like that. I know you guys can do it because I'm going to be posting more often. Like, this is going to be my schedule, guys. I'm going to be posting every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and Saturday, and Sunday, and all that stuff. So, hope you guys, it's Friday right now. I shot this video in like 2 days. Tomorrow's vlog is going to be very fun because I'm going to be going to a paintball place with my friend, and I just got my GoPro, so I'm going to use that, of course. So this is going to be my goodbye. So hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Let's try to smash 5 likes on this video, and if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. ItzEvan Vlogs, signing out. Peace, guys.